Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update camera permissions and privacy strings for iOS. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To update camera permissions and privacy strings for iOS, start by opening Xcode on your computer. Navigate to your project in the Project Navigator. Select the target for your app. Go to the Info tab in the Project Settings. Scroll down to the Custom iOS Target Properties section. Click on the plus icon to add a new row if the camera permission string does not yet exist. Type NS camera usage description in the key column. In the value column, provide a clear explanation for why your app needs camera access. Make sure the description is user-friendly and concise. Next, confirm that all strings used in your app for camera access are properly localized. Open your localization files and check for existing camera permission strings. Update them as necessary to reflect the new wording you chose. Now, switch to your app's main code files to ensure all camera features use the correct permissions. Locate any instances where you request camera access within your code. Verify that you are handling the permission request appropriately. If permission is denied, ensure that your app provides an informative message to the user. Test the changes by running your app on a physical iOS device. Check if the prompt requesting camera access appears as expected when accessing the camera feature. If everything looks good, document the changes made for future reference. Finally, prepare your app for submission by reviewing all permissions and privacy strings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.